Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best ergonomic keyboards that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Logitech Wave Keys. The ergonomically sound Logitech Wave Keys keyboard was made to keep your hands in a natural typing posture. Its namesake feature is a gentle slope that begins raising at the D key and declining to the L key. You'd think a topographically diverse keyboard would be more difficult to type on, but our tests proved it was very comfortable to use. We experienced no wrist pain after several weeks of switching from a flatter keyboard. The Wave Keys wrist rest is a big reason for this comfort, as it ensures your wrists are kept on a padded surface at the proper elevation. However, the wrist rest is physically attached to the keyboard and non-removable, so you'll need a deep desk to contain it. We prefer this ergonomic keyboard design to those with 2 separate sets of keys and a large gap between them because the Wave Keys had no learning curve. We instinctively knew where the keys would be and could focus on what we were typing. This Logitech wireless ergonomic keyboard is fully compatible with macOS and Windows and allows you to connect it to your machine using a USB receiver or Bluetooth. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Keychron Q1 Pro. We named the Keychron Q1 Pro the best mechanical keyboard in large part because of the ergonomic qualities possessed by mechanical keyboards. This is the professional version of Keychron's already excellent Q1, and it bests the previous model in every way. It carries through all the features we loved about the original, including its heavy-duty and exceptionally premium-feeling aluminum case, but critically adds support for Bluetooth wireless connectivity. Aluminum cases tend to block wireless signals, but the Q1 offers a reliable and fast Bluetooth connection, which allows us to cut the cord without sacrificing typing performance. We don't recommend traveling with it, however. This keyboard is hefty at just under 4 pounds. At number 3, we have the Satechi SM1. If you're interested in improving the ergonomics of your computer setup but don't have a large enough desk to accommodate the Logitech Wave or similarly sized models, we highly recommend Satechi's SM1. In our tests, which included writing dozens of articles, emails, and notes, the SM1 dropped no keystrokes. Its switches were immediately responsive and compressed with a satisfying click. Those sensitive to noise may want a quieter keyboard, but the SM1 is far from deafening. You'll know what to expect if you remember typing on computer keys in the 1990s. Satechi allows you to wirelessly connect this keyboard to your computer via Bluetooth or a USB dongle. We generally chose the latter, or to plug it into your machine using a USB-C cable. The SM1 has a built-in rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about reaching for a set of AAAs when the keyboard runs out of juice. At number 2, we have the Kensington Pro ergonomic keyboard and mouse. You can pick up an ergonomic keyboard and mouse on their own, but Kensington's bundle allows you to nab both accessories for under $100. The keyboard features a sloped design, with spill-proof keys that won't get damaged when exposed to water. Kensington says the keys are designed to be quiet, too, so you'll give up the clickiness of a mechanical keyboard for less noise. You can connect both of these accessories to your computer using a USB receiver or Bluetooth. Kensington says both wireless connectivity options include government-grade encryption to keep your keystrokes secure. Additionally, Kensington is explicit that this keyboard supports macOS, Windows, and Chrome OS. While we're recommending this bundle primarily for the included keyboard, it's worth noting that the included mouse has 5 programmable buttons, allowing you to customize your computing experience when connected. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nulea RT05B. Nulea's RT05B shares many of the same features as our top pick, from a built-in wrist rest to multiple connectivity options, but it's available for just $50. The ergonomic split keyboard has a wave-like design with an elevated space between both banks of keys. The keyboard is attached to a polyurethane leather-wrapped wrist rest featuring a layer of memory foam. The rest elevates your wrists at a 4.07-degree angle when the keyboard's legs are extended to keep them slightly above the keyboard itself. You can't remove the wrist rest, so you can only use the RT05B on a deeper desk. This isn't a mechanical keyboard, which means you'll give up some key travel but be rewarded with a quieter typing experience. You can connect it to your computer, either running macOS or Windows, using Bluetooth or a 2.4 GHz USB receiver, and top up its internal battery by plugging it into your PC. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.